Today, I'm doing a review of the Mokwheel Asphalt Ebike. I got the step-through model in this lovely purple color. And one of the things I like about Mokwheel is the accessory packages they offer when you purchase a bike. I got an accessory package that contains over $600 worth of accessories and only costs only $150. Let me show you what accessories I got. This bag that fits on the back rack of your bike with multiple pockets. This super cushy seat that is the most comfortable seat I've ever rode on, and a suspension post that's great for bumpy rides. My husband Gary's going to show you how cushy this seat is. This would make a great commuter bike with this comfy seat and suspension post. The accessory package came with a high-quality bike lock that straps right onto your bike. It also comes with a water bottle cage, but on the step-through model, there's really nowhere to put this. So we decided to use the straps that came with the lock to hook the water bottle cage on and put the lock in the back bag. These are the rear view mirrors that came with the accessory package. We had a little bit of trouble getting them to tighten enough to stay in place, but they still worked fine. This is the phone mount that came with the accessory package, and it's made of metal, so we were really impressed with that. And all you got to do is tighten it to get your phone to stay in place. But it doesn't work well with a really thick phone case. So you either have to have a thin phone case or take your phone case off to get it to fit inside. I love this front basket. It's attractive and will easily hold a small cooler or some grocery bags. I've been out riding the bike, so let me tell you what I think so far. I like the step-through model. It comes in step-through or non-step-through, but for me, it makes it easier for me to get on and off. And if you were commuting to work in a dress or a skirt, it would make it a lot easier to ride. This bike comes in several different colors, but I'm loving the purple, and I like that the battery is hidden, so the bike has a very sleek design. This bike is 60 pounds, and it does feel a little heavy. My other commuter bike is 52 pounds, so this one feels heavier, but my husband thinks it probably weighs more because it has front suspension. And I would prefer to have front suspension with a little bit more weight, but that might be something you want to consider if you're getting it on and off a bike rack. The seat that came with accessory package along with the suspension post is my favorite thing ever. And the thing is, the seat that came with the bike was actually pretty comfortable. Here's a cool feature. There's lights on each side of the tire that light up whenever you use your brakes or you turn on your lights. Here's the button where you turn on your lights, and that will turn on your side lights, your rear light, and your front light. If you're riding at night, this is a must-have feature, and it's nice to get a bike that already has the lights on it. The LED display is bright and colorful. It's easy to see how fast you're going, what level of power assist you're on, and how many miles you've traveled. Here's where you turn the bike on and off. Here's where you choose the level of power assist, as well as turning the brake lights on and off. Right by here is also your bell. And then down here is your throttle. So I'm going to take you on a bike ride now and show you how the bike does. We'll get started using the throttle, and I personally like using the throttle every time I start riding. I'm just riding through my neighborhood right now, and you can see it's easy to see how many miles an hour I'm going and the level of power assist I'm on. I'm noticing that the rear view mirrors are wobbling a little bit, but I'm going to go home and get those tightened up, and I think they'll be okay. So far, it's a smooth ride through my neighborhood, and we're going to head to the Sanford Creek Greenway Trail. I chose this trail because it has a lot of boardwalk, and I wanted to test out the front suspension on this bike. It's doing well. It's a nice smooth ride and definitely better than my other commuter bike that doesn't have front suspension. So that, along with the suspended seat post and the comfy seat, make for a really great ride. I love this trail. It's lots of boardwalks that go over beautiful wetland. I'm going to take you to my favorite spots on the trail. Here's my first stop along the Sanford Creek. Isn't it beautiful? Here's the second spot that I love. There's a little waterfall in the background, and I'm going to pull out my snacks and enjoy this spot for a bit. I also want to show you the bell that comes with this bike. It's right here. So you can hear what that sounds like. It's kind of a different type of bell sound, but no one's gonna miss you. If you need to pass someone and you wanna make sure they're not gonna jump out in front of you, that's a good loud bell. I'm heading back home now, and you can see I'm getting up to 20 miles an hour. This bike will go up to 28 miles per hour, and you could probably push it to 30 if you wanted. That was a lovely bike ride. I'm really enjoying this bike. I can highly recommend it, and stay tuned if you want to hear more about my accessory package. So I got a Mokwheel e-bike in the mail a couple days ago, and I got one of their accessory packages to go with it, and it is such an amazing deal. I just have to share it with you because they have a lot of times these deals going on where if you buy an e-bike, you can also purchase one of their accessory packages, and their packages generally come with several $100s worth of accessories for a really, really great price. So I got an accessory package that was about $150, but it's probably got over $600 worth of accessories. So jump on that deal if you get an e-bike. So I just want to show you everything that came in my accessory package. So it came with this front basket, which I love. It's cute, it's attractive. It came with this bag that will fit right on the back of your bike. There's so many zippers and compartments in here. It's really built well. I love it. So it has this side bag that zips open, opens up into a really large saddle bag on the side here. You could fit so many things in here. You could go to the grocery store and fill this with groceries, zip it closed, ride home. Same thing on the other side. You can fold it down for a nice big saddle bag on the side, or you can zip it all closed. So, you know, it's nice and smaller. And then in the front, you see you've got this pouch here that you could easily put like a can of soda or water bottle in, and then it has a bungee cord to tighten it up, some more straps to loosen and tighten your bag up. And then even the top here they've made use of. You've got a handle for carrying it around. You've got a nice little pocket in here that you could fit a cell phone or something small, with some bungee cords to tighten up whatever you're placing in here. And then you open that up, and then you have this large compartment down in here to store a lot of your items, with another strap that's longer. So if you want to carry your bag around over your shoulder, maybe you're at the store, maybe you're hiking on a trail somewhere after you've ridden your bike on an adventure. And even up here, you've got a little pocket here to put something in. And it comes with this waterproof cover, so you can just cover your bag up if you're riding around and it's a little bit rainy. Protects it from the elements. I really love that because I do ride my e-bike to the grocery store sometimes to get a few items just for fun. Okay, so it also comes with this Mokwheel helmet, which is really nicely built, easy to adjust how you want for your head. This GoPro does not come with it. My husband strapped that on there for me today because I'm gonna go out riding on my Mokwheel and taking some fun video. One of the most important things I think anyone should have with their e-bike is rear view mirrors. And so this accessory package came with some really good quality rear view mirrors. We're gonna put on the bike in a bit. It just keeps you so much safer. You can always just be checking behind you, see if a car's coming, if it looks like that car's gonna go around you, if you need to get off the road, just get rear view mirrors, whatever you do. It came with this seat suspension, and it's just going to make it so you have a much more comfortable ride if you're on a bumpy trail or anything. My husband also is really excited to see this phone mount that came because it's all metal. It's really high quality, and the phone mounts we already have on other bikes we bought are just plastic ones off Amazon, which they work fine, but you know, if you're trying to protect a phone, which is worth so much money, why not have a really good sturdy metal phone mount? Also comes with a water bottle cage. Okay, my favorite thing of all, I am so excited about this, is the seat. Look at this seat it came with. I mean, seriously, I pay $150 alone just for this cushy seat, let alone all this product. So I don't know if it's just because I'm a middle-aged woman, I'm in my 50s, I need to protect my tush, I need to have a comfortable ride. I need to, you know, protect my back, my neck, my tush. I think I could ride for hours on this seat. I mean, and the thing is, the Mokwheel e-bike comes with a really good seat that I didn't think would need an upgrade, but I'm really excited to try this seat out. Oh, I love it already. And then the last thing this accessory package came with was, this is a big cover for your bike. Hi, Beans. Maybe you can see my cat there. He's checking out all these accessories. You can just put this all over your whole entire bike. if it's out in the rain, if it's out in the snow, and just really protect it. You know, you're taking your bike camping or something and you have it setting out and it rains, you can take good care of your investment. I'm kind of blown away when you check out the accessory packages on Mokwheel. It's amazing. I don't know how they afford to give you all this for the price they give it to you, but I think it would really steer me towards choosing a Mokwheel if I saw that I could spend just a little bit more money when I bought an e-bike and get all of this stuff. So anyway, hey Dean, say hi to the camera. This is my three-legged cat. He is pretty darn cool. Check the description below to find out where you can get a Mokwheel and all these accessories.